Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up 0.18%. That's quite good, but unfortunately it is not amazing because the entire stock market is flying. If this was any normal day, Tesla would be up more than 10% easily. However, due to circumstances, thanks to weird catalysts going on regarding Elon and Twitter and etc., Tesla is not performing that well. We're gonna talk about that after your like. Please support this channel, my friend. Thank you very much, and subscribe if you're new around here because I do daily analysis, daily videos in this channel about Tesla and many other stocks. And right now, the market is up nearly 3%, the Nasdaq is more than 3%, while Tesla is going up only 0.4%. It is a very rough moment. The situation could not be more complex and delicate, but fortunately, the Finance Hydra trading methodology has a brutal performance. Our results are amazing. We can actually beat the market. We can even outperform Tesla. If you want to trade with me, click on the website in the description of this video and subscribe our trading newsletter if you want some consistency in your life along with amazing results. Now, Tesla in the daily chart, looking only in the daily chart, that's just fine. I mean, if you didn't watch the market all day, you'd see Tesla at $884 and okay, that's a quite pitiful performance, but I'm happy. You wouldn't possibly know that Tesla dropped it all the way down to $824 just to climb all the way back up again. So that's a very fantastic signal. It is a sign of strength and it is clearly telling us that, okay, people are buying Tesla aggressively at this price level. What's more interesting is that we did a false breakout from our support level at 889. I don't know why the study is not here anymore. And we lost the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement briefly. It seems it was just a false breakout and a possible bear trap, which is totally understandable because it makes zero sense to sell Tesla near support levels. I mean, if you shorted Tesla around 11.15 at here, okay, that's understandable. But it does not make any sense to sell it below this price level. The risk-reward ratio makes no sense, and right now, Tesla is reacting nicely. So, okay, that's a very good signal. The market, overall speaking, it is doing a fantastic bullish signal as well. The S&P hit our support level. It did a very nice job and obeyed this technical price level, and we are reacting nicely. The Nasdaq index also respected its support level and it's doing a fantastic reaction. It is triggering right now a bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart. We are above the 21 EMA. The S&P is doing the exact same thing. It did trigger this pivot point. Right now it feels like we are just retesting the 42.99, the previous resistance level. Now is supposed to work as a resistance again. Let's see, right? Let's see if the S&P will manage to break it. In my humble opinion, it would be good to see the indices resting a little bit for 1 or 2 more days before they could climb back up again. This would be a more mature and stronger bullish signal. And how this would affect Tesla? Tesla has more upside potential for sure, especially because we are closing above the 61.8% retracement in the daily chart. If you look in the 1 hour chart, we dropped it sharply. We lost the previous support level. Unfortunately, we could not trigger the buy signal. It was about to trigger yesterday by breaking the $918, as I did warn you guys on yesterday's video. And right now, okay, we dropped a little bit more thanks to weird catalysts, thanks to Twitter, thanks to Elon and etc. However, we are recovering pretty nicely. The only problem is the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart. We are still below this point, while the indices already defeated their EMAs, meaning any pullback to the EMA would be just an opportunity to buy because we are talking about a bull trend, because the trend already reversed. The indices already did higher highs, higher lows, both the S&P and the Nasdaq. But Tesla didn't. Tesla is still doing lower highs, lower lows. So what would be very good to see on Tesla right now before we can call it an amazing buy again. It would be very good to see Tesla doing a higher high, higher low, meaning if it drops tomorrow or in the next few days, by Monday, by Tuesday, that's fine. As long as it does form a bottom higher than the previous bottom, just like the indices did, we would see a very high probability of Tesla doing a bullish pivot point, meaning it could easily break the 21 EMA along with the $918, which is the previous resistance level, and Tesla could truly reverse the trend in the 1 hour chart. Now, in the daily chart, it is a very good moment for Tesla in my humble opinion, because this support level is holding the price nicely. We have a possibility of Tesla building a bullish structure in the 1 hour chart. If this happens, it will just reinforce our bullish thesis in Tesla in the midterm. The only thing we must see is Tesla confirming the bullish bias in the short term, because so far we don't see any confirmation. Aside from good signs on the indices and on many other stocks, Tesla is still not following, it's still not quite there. Again, only because today it did this flash crash, okay? Only because of that. If it was not this, we would be just fine. We would be going up more than 10% very, very easily. Now, I think the sentiment and the overall situation favors the bulls, because when we analyze not only the 1 hour chart and the daily chart, but in the weekly chart, it feels like Tesla just did a pullback to the 61.8% retracement, and if we see a bullish week next week, it will probably confirm that Tesla is doing a bottom higher than the previous bottom and a possible bullish pivot point in the weekly chart, and this means a lot. This is going to be the most powerful bullish signal in Tesla since, I don't know, 2021 probably, because this is gonna be the very same reversal point we are about to see in the 1 hour chart. We could see in the 1 hour chart. We already saw this pattern in the 1 hour chart on the indices, but if this confirms in the weekly chart in Tesla, probably the 1400s is going to be a very plausible scenario for it in the next couple of months, maybe even next year probably, right? But it's gonna take a while, but the bullish bias is still present. It's still very strong in the long term. Long term speaking, Tesla is still incredibly bullish. In the midterm, in the daily chart, Tesla is giving us amazing bullish reversal signals. Okay, I like this signal. I like the fact we are doing a very huge shadow under today's candlestick body, and we are about to close above the 61.8% retracement. In the 1 hour chart, we still have the EMA to break, but even if we do a pullback, as long as we do not lose today's low, great. We will see probably a bullish structure in the 1 hour chart, and by breaking the EMA along with the $918, Tesla will most likely enter in the bullish scenario again, and in the midterm speaking, I see it easily at the 1087 again, which was our original target since, I don't know, April 6, right, when we hit this point. This target was already hit, but I think we can start thinking about this resistance again if we trigger this bullish scenario. I am not trading Tesla right now. If you want to trade with me, again, consider subscribing at my trading newsletter, but I do believe we should keep our eyes open, because Tesla is giving us amazing signals along with the market that it could do a fantastic reversal right now. I will keep you guys updated every single day, so just remember, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.